Vitamin B12, the chemical name is cobalamin. We shall discuss deficiency symptoms, diagnostics, as well as some best and major natural sources to recover deficiency of vitamin B12 or cobalamin in your body. Well, deficiency symptoms are linked with folate anemia. So, if you have only anemia, you may have fatigue, lethargy, pale skin, weight loss, appetite loss, as well as some breathlessness. But if these symptoms are linked with the glossitis, mean you have swollen tongue. Paresthesia means you are feeling numbness in your joints, like especially fingers of hand and foot. Irritability like needles in the skin. Depression, cognitive disturbance, and dementia means you have lost your focus in your thinking and you are unable to focus on a single thing when needed. So these, if symptoms are present together, most probably you have vitamin B12 deficiency. So how it can be diagnosed? Well, diagnosis of vitamin B12 cobalamin is very critical, and no one can judge only from the symptoms that you have vitamin B12 deficiency. So you must have to consult your hematologist or gastroenterologist and dietitian to find whether you are deficient in vitamin B12 or not. Well, there are some best and selected foods which definitely help to improve the deficiency of vitamin B12 or folic acid in your body. Keep in mind that no plants have vitamin B12. Like vegetables or fruits, they do not produce or do not have at all vitamin B12. And the best source of vitamin B12 in the body is the microbiome of your gut. So gut bacteria or gut microbiota usually synthesize that vitamin B12, and that is easily absorbable by the intestine. So by improving the microbiome of the body, vitamin B12 deficiency can be recovered. Another source is the liver. Eating liver as part of the daily diet, you may improve your deficiency of vitamin B12. Similarly, red meat is another source and very good source of deficiency of vitamin B12. So if you are taking red meat steaks on regularly or weekly basis at least, you may recover from the deficiency. Salmon fish is a good source of vitamin B12, but other fishes also have, but the amount is less in them. Eggs also have enough or some appreciable amount of vitamin B12 raw material, which in the body may be converted to vitamin B12, which is absorbable. So dairy products, especially yogurt, taking that yogurt in your empty stomach may improve your microbiome or microbiota of the gut, and that will definitely help to increase the production of vitamin B12. Fortified cereals are another source of vitamin B12, not the natural cereals. So fortified cereals also help in the production and in the absorption of the vitamin B12 in the body. So keep in mind that the two major functions of the vitamin B12 in the body are production of red blood cells in the bone marrow, as well as production of DNA, because it helps in the methylation process of the nitrogenous bases like adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. So if you are deficient in vitamin B12, no red blood cells will be formed. Similarly, the DNA needed for those cells will also not be available. So you may become deficient in the RBCs or hemoglobin.